Good day, sir. This is Miguelito Areca. The subject is Enhancement Course for Maritime 101 Laboratory. My schedule is 5:01 to 7:01 p.m. Monday to Friday. Cool regs from Rule 1 to Rule 10. The international regulation for preventing collisions at sea, more commonly known as the cool regs, are quite simply the rules of the road for ships and other vessels at sea. They set out the conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility in sight of each other and it restricted visibility. The international rules were formalized in the Convention on the International Regulation for Preventing Collisions at Sea, 1972, and became effective on July 15, 1977. The rules, commonly called 72 cool regs, are part of the Convention, and the vessels flying the flags of state ratifying and treaty are bound to the rules. Marine Collision Regulation, Part A, General. Rule 1, Application. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith, navigable by sea-going vessels. Marine Collision Regulation, Part A, General. Rule 2, Responsibility. Nothing in these rules shall exonerate any vessel or the owner, master, or crew thereof from the consequences of any neglect to comply with this rule or of the neglect of any precaution which may be acquired by the ordinary practice by seamen or by the special circumstances of the case. Marine Collision Regulation, Part A, General Rule 3. General definitions. The word vessel includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, WIG craft, and seaplanes, used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. The term power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. The term sailing vessel means any vessel under sail provided that propelling machinery is fitted and is not being used. The term vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability but does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. Marine Pollution Regulation, Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. Rule 4, Application. Rules in this section apply in any condition of visibility. Marine Collision Regulations, Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. Rule 5, Lookout. Every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing, as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions, so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and the risk of collision. Marine Collision Regulation, Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. Rule 6, Safe Speed. Every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed so that she can take a proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. Marine Collision Regulation, Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of vessels in any condition of visibility. Rule 7, Risk of collision. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions to determine if risk of collision exists. If there is any doubt, such risk shall be deemed to exist. Marine Collision Regulations, Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct of vessel in any condition of visibility. Rule 8, Action to avoid collision. Any action taken to avoid collision shall always be taken in accordance with the rules of this part and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be positive, made in ample time, and with due regard to the observance of good seamanship. Marine Collision Regulation Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct a vessel in any condition of visibility. Rule 9, Narrow Channels. A vessel proceeding along the course of a narrow channel or fairway shall keep as near to the out limit of the channel or fairway which lies on their starboard side as is safe and practicable. Marine Collision Regulations Part B, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 1, Conduct a vessel in any condition of visibility. Rule 10, Traffic Separation Schemes. This rule applies to the traffic separation schemes adopted by the organization and does not relieve any vessel or her obligation under other rule. Thank you.